Hi, welcome to ZUCIN India Corporation. ZUCIN is a home oil maker. We can extract more than 20 types of seed oils from this ZUCIN oil press machine. My name is Dilip Kumar. My name is Rotarian Dilip Kumar, and today we are with our Honorable Rotarian Manjunathan sir, and his wife Rotarian. Again, she is also Rotarian. Rotarian Jayanti, Sri Jayanti madam. I am from Rotary Bangalore Association Club, and
We are from Rotary Bangalore Nandini.
Rotary Bangalore Nandini, and we met in Rotary Means Business Fellowship. That is how we got connected. To say something about Manjunathan sir and his business, sir, please, can you tell something?
Hi, this is Rotary Manjunathan. My home club is Rotary Bangalore Nandini. We are also business members in Rotary Means Business Fellowship, where we met first time Mr. Dilip. And Mr. Dilip has introduced this mission to me. And I want to tell about my companies. We are the authorized distributor for Millikin. Millikin is a walk-off mat division where we deal with all kind of entrance mats and all types of safety mats. So like that we have get into contact. So once I saw the mission, I thought this will benefit a lot of our members and Rotary members or other members in terms of health. So today I am very impressed to see the live demo of this ZUCIN mission. Just waiting for this.
We will unbox this machine and we'll see the live demo. Sir, where is the plug point?
It's
Is there any extension cable something?
extension idiyama?
One.
Or here? Then our that extension is there, no? Laptop extension. Kill
Power cord is about
1 meter.
1 meter.
Yeah, that can be sufficient, I think.
We will see.
I think so.
It requires we will.
Yeah.
So with this machine there will be a brush. This is for washing screw and screw rod. Okay. This is the brush, and this is a screw rod. This is the rod for we use it as a spanner, and this is power cable. This is the extra spare
Okay.
for washer, and this is hand gloves. Okay, let's see this. We can connect this power cable to a normal 5 amps plug point.
Switch on?
1 second.
Switch it on.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we move this table little?
Yeah, we can do. This has to become center. Now you can. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದಿದೆ.
Okay.
I think I can come
No,
little bit.
it is not. This is enough, sir.
Enough, no? Yeah.
This is enough. Fine. Sir, did you turn on the switch?
Yeah, it's on.
Yeah, it's on. So to say something about this machine before we start, about operation, we'll go ahead with cleaning. Since this will screw barrel will heat up, so after we need to leave it about half an hour once machine gets started. These are the groundnut seeds, and this is the cake mug, and this is oil container for collecting pure oil after extraction.
Want tissue over?
Tissue paper, I'll get it.
There.
before we start the machine, we'll show how to open this machine and how to clean it. This is very simple machine. Camera, can you focus a little bit here? This is the sway cover. Just pull it up, and with this spanner from this side, you need to just turn it towards open side. You can loosen it, and then after that you can open it with your hands itself. Only these two are the spare parts. We need to clean it after every usage. This is very simple. After every usage, you just remove these two spare parts and put it in water for about 3 to 4 hours, and you can clean it within 1 minute. With this, we provided this brush also. This is the silicone washer. With this brush, you can clean it in this way. Within 1 minute, we can get it clean. And here also there will be some accumulation of cake. Clean it here. And this rod, on this rod also there will be some accumulation of cake. We can clean it like this. These two, many of the customers won't clean it properly, and it won't fit. So it will be like this. After that, they try to insert it inside this machine, but it won't go. What you have to do, you have to make sure this space and this part and this part are equivalent. It will be interlocked now, and you can close it. You can turn it from your hand till once it's get tightened. You need not to over tight it. Just once machine is moving, that much tight is enough. And you have to put the silicone washer the same way. This curve should be towards front side. This is the machine front side, and this is we call back side. And this curve should be front side. Sir, you got it? You have any doubt?
Yeah. No, I don't have any.
Okay. And we need to keep this oil container bowl here. And now machine is ready for switching on. Now close the sway cover. Let's see. And once machine is ready, once you switch on the machine, it will be in normal room temperature. Whenever you switch on the machine, it will be in normal room temperature like 28, 29, 30, 31. According to the seed, you have to select the temperature. Now we are going to choose the temperature for groundnut seeds. For groundnut,
where it is?
Here it is mentioned,
okay,
this side.
Fine. Okay.
And complete some about, we tried about some 25 varieties of seeds that we will send you over WhatsApp. Still we are trying, that is why we have not printed any brochure in manual. With this choose button, here there is a choose button. Can you show the camera here? Here there is a reverse button, there is a choose button, there is a stop button and run button. You need not to click on reverse and stop button. You can say this is not functionable. That means you in any point of the time you need not to upload click on those buttons. This choose button, you can select the temperature. Now for groundnut we will choose about 200 degree. After choosing, immediately we have to click on run button. In voice message it says please wait, it's heating. Many people may think, you may question me why this is 200 degree it's heating, and again we say it's cold press. The real meaning of cold press is extracting oil from dry seeds without adding water. That is called cold press. You might be saying in some mills they'll add about 1 liter water for almost 10 kg groundnut seeds. That's not cold press. Here extracting oil without adding water, that is called cold press method. Within 1 minute machine will get started.
There is no to worry, no shock, nothing.
Yeah, nothing.
Temperature is increasing.
to wait for still 200.
For groundnut seeds.
Yeah.
Sir, this machine weight is 6.5 kg. Entire machine weight is even ladies, children as well as senior citizens can operate this machine. Here there is no any rocket science, and it consumes very less power. That means it consumes, when you continuously run for 2 hours, it will consume only 1 unit. For 1 hour it will consume about 0.5 or half unit. And after extracting the oil, immediately you can test it. The oil temperature will be about 55 to 60 degree, lesser than 60 degree. Once it reaches about 200 degree, it says start oil extraction. At that time, we need to put 1 handful of seeds. But before that, please make sure it turns in reverse direction first. This is reverse means it goes back. This is the back side and this is the front side. It goes in reverse side. At that time, you should not put the seeds. Even if you by mistake, if you put it also, nothing will happen. Don't worry. But every time don't do that. Once it starts turning in forward direction, at that time you have to put the seeds. Make sure you put 1 handful of the seeds, and you just recheck with whether oil is coming or not and cake is coming out. Then you can completely fill this hopper. This hopper capacity is about it will hold 1 kilo seeds.
This heating cycle is only for first time.
No, whenever you switch on the machine, again
initially, yeah.
yes, initially. Now this will turn in reverse direction. Can you show in camera? Yeah. The rod is turning towards going towards back side. Now it will turn towards front side. This is called forward direction. Now we need to put 1 handful of seeds. Make sure you are getting oil as well as cake.
Punnak is coming.
Here oil is getting collected. You can see oil is dripping, and here you can see cake is getting stored. So in this way it will extract about you can extract about 1 liter oil in 1 hour. That means you can put about 1 kilo of seeds in this offer. Once seeds are over, you can completely refill it. Sir, how many family members are there? How many members are there at your in your family, sir?
4 members.
4 members.
Okay. What are all the oils you are consuming as of now at home?
Groundnut oil,
Okay.
coconut oil, almond oil.
Okay.
And almond oil we are not consuming for some
Cooking
other.
for hair
Only
as a
for-
hair
wow.
care and massage or
Massage,
as a
massage.
skin care. Okay.
That's only 3.
That's it, that's it.
Okay. Even you can extract almond oil also.
Yeah.
You can extract walnut oil also.
Coconut also we have to cut it
Yeah.
and put
Coconut, we need to cut it into smaller pieces and then we have to extract it.
smell ಬರ್ತದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ?
Yeah, sunflower also you can extract it.
25
Whatever oil is that?
25 varieties of you can.
That flavor is very nice.
Yeah.
Purely.
the aroma what you get
Yeah.
here.
You need not to store the oil, no? Every day, whenever how much or you want, you can.
Sir, you can actually, it's a good question. You can store it for about 30 days. Some people say, some customers
Without preservatives.
without,
for
yeah,
30 days.
here we are not adding any preservatives. We say preservatives. Preservatives are also chemicals. So this
This
is
is
better.
natural, no?
Yeah, this is natural oil.
But with other brands, they tell that, like, they add preservatives, but still they